how to adjust the left or right sound balance for phone speakers on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on accessibility. Now go down, then tap on hearing enhancements. And in here, we scroll down at the bottom. In the left or right sound balance section, drag on the phone speakers slider bar to the right or to the left to make the adjustment. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now I'm just going to disconnect my Bluetooth. And you can then listen to the sound between the left and the right. So this is the left hand side here, and this is the right hand side. So here I can drag to the right hand side. The audio is now coming on the speaker on the right here, and this is the left, and this is the center. And that's it. Thank you for watching.